Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So today my friends, we're having the big news about the non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate for both the CAD and for the USD, and I'm planning to open a trade and show you how we can trade the news, hoping of course for the best. Let me just clear something here. Trading the news is not really my style. I don't really like to do it because sometimes it really can mess up, and actually today I'm in a good profit, and therefore I'm actually ready to trade the news. I will risk the profits that I'm making right now in front of you. So actually I have opened here a trade for the pound JPY, and so far it's going well. Of course, I can explain to you. Just give me a second. Just need to get my tool to draw. Yes, here it is. This is called Epic Pen, guys. You can find it on Google for free. Anyway, so I'm actually right here on a trade on the pound JPY. And let me just explain to you quickly the reason behind of this trade, because we don't actually have time. The news is going to be out within just 15 minutes, and we have to be ready and prepared our pending orders. So of course, on the 1 hour time frame right now, we are facing here a support zone, as you can see. That is, of course, my friends, the strategy called the 20 pips a day. So as you can see, we have to go to the bigger time frame, such as 1 hour or 4 hour or even daily, and you have to identify the direction of the market. If you are on a support level, it means that we have to consider buying the market. So now, by moving to the 5-minute time frame, I was actually able to use right here the magic of trend lines, as you can see. So what I did right here, my friends, is simply draw a support trend line from this higher high to this lower high, just like that. Now what you will do next is simply move it just like that. You don't even have to drag it. You can just move it, move the ending point of it, and just point it all the way right here at the nearest support trend line. That is, my friends, again, what you have learned from the magic of trend lines. Now, as you can see, the market has respected that level as a support trend line. So this was the first attempt, and right now I have opened my trade right here as a buy order right on the second attempt of the support. So that's the reason I have opened the trade, and as you can see right now it's running in profit. The stop loss was placed right here below that level of the support, and the take profit level was placed right here at the nearest resistance to my entry. But I'm gonna close this trade as soon as the news when the time is approaching. So when the time is coming near, I'm gonna of course close this trade. So the account now is above $3,000, and I'm ready to risk $200 on this trade. So what I will do right now is simply go to the EURUSD, and actually we can let me just move to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we can actually expect a lot of profits with the news. It's gonna actually be big. I think it's gonna make a big impact on the dollar. Now you might tell me, but Salah, why don't you trade the USDCAD? Because the news is gonna hit both of them. Well, it's not really working all the time, because what if the news was really good to the CAD and bad to the dollar? There will be like a conflict, and most likely the market won't move. It happened with me before. I think like 3 years ago I was recording a video and it happened, and when I checked the other pairs, I really felt bad. I regret so much because the other pairs went in high volatility upon the news. Meanwhile, USDCAD only didn't move well, or didn't move at all, because the news was actually bad to the CAD and good to the dollar, which made a conflict. Or maybe the opposite way. Anyway, it just happened. Maybe I'm mistaken here. Anyway, guys, let me just tell you now what we will do. I will just now place my pending orders on the EURUSD. We have to make sure that the pending orders are at least 15 pips far away from the current price. Alert, sorry, not alert. Did I set alert? Mistake, sorry. We have to make sure it's just 15 pips far away. Place here the buy stop, and then again below the current price, 15 pips, trading, sell, stop. Of course, guys, before we start, I have to remind you that to be able to apply this strategy, you have got to use IC markets only. I don't believe that any other broker can provide you with a good results except IC markets. But the reason, of course, is the spread. Look at that. The spread for the dollar is zero, flat zero, all the time. That's one of the best benefits of IC markets. And even during the news, actually this is happening with all the brokers in the world. At the time of the news, the spread is gonna get much higher. it's gonna go crazy, insane. But luckily in IC markets, it never gets higher than 2 pips only during the news. Imagine that. Even during the news, it gets only 2 pips, or maybe 3 at maximum. But in my opinion, this is the best thing you need to do to trade with IC markets, of course, to get these results. Because if you trade with other brokers, actually, I cannot say names, but I have seen brokers, and the spread goes to 30 pips during the news. That's insane. That's insane. It's another famous broker, but I cannot say the name. Anyway, what we can do right now is placing our stop losses to make sure that we are investing only $200 on them. So double click on the buy stop and click and hold the down arrow. Modify. And as we can see, oh, I forgot to change the lot size. sorry, my mistake. That is my mistake, guys. Sorry. I need to change the lot size, of course, to be 0.80, I would say. Now again, repeat, trading, buy stop, trading, sell stop. So what I'm telling the market here is basically, if the news gonna cause you to jump instantly, activate a buy stop on your way and take me along with you making profits, and vice versa. If the news gonna cause you to suddenly drop and fall, please activate my sell stop order and take me along with you making profits. Now the problem with this strategy, it sometimes doesn't work. It's actually hard to explain, but sometimes before the news, the market is gonna go crazy, and it might accidentally activate one of your pending orders due to the high spread, of course, and then the market, for example, it's gonna activate here the buy stop, and you will be happy, but then suddenly, boom, it's gonna continue the fall, hitting your stop loss instantly. That's the reason I'm telling you guys, you have got to use a broker providing a very low spreads like IC markets. Actually, I have received a lot of messages from my followers. Those who have been using IC markets, they are very, of course, happy with the experience, and they are thanking me for telling them about this broker. Anyway, now let's set our stop losses to be here. Double click and stop loss, click and hold, modify, and 248 should be fine. 250, okay, let's make it 250. It's okay, it's fine. I'm ready, it's okay. Today is a good day and I'm in the mood. Let me just now set my pending orders to be right here for the sell stop as well, $250. So as you can see right now, I have placed my pending orders. Now let's be ready for the news. Now we have to wait. The market is now moving faster. The news is going to be out within just 8 minutes. I want to watch my pound JPY trade. All right, guys, so I think it's going to be well. I'm planning to invest the profits that I'm going to make here, 164. Hopefully it will reach before the news hit the market. I'm thinking now to close it, actually. What a bummer. Let's close it. Let's get done with it. Let's get done with it. I don't feel good about it anymore. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't feel good about it anymore. All right, so back to the EURUSD. Let's now please, guys, pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen when the news are out. All right, my friends, the news gonna be out within just like 30 seconds. As usual, heart beating fast. We have to continue moving the market, the pending orders. As you can see now, the candle is moving faster. And look at the spread, guys. I want you guys to look at the spread right now. Look at that. It's getting now higher. Again, this is happening with all the brokers in the world, but luckily in IC markets, look at that, the EURUSD, not even 1 pip. That's the reason I'm choosing this pair, not even 1 pip. This is amazing. This is really what I want in my broker. And 5 seconds for the news. Sweaty hands, heart beating fast. Look at how the candles get. Okay. All right, so it's gonna, I think it's good for the dollar. No. Oh my God, what's going on? Let's check it out. What's going on? How was it? Pending. Unemployment rate still pending. Oh, it's getting closer to hit our buy stop. Nope. Activated. Buy stop activated. Buy stop activated. Close now the sell stop. Buy stop activated. All right. Okay. Let's see. It's going in profit. Yes, fantastic. Good. More. I think the news was bad to the dollar, guys. It was really bad for the dollar. Yeah, unemployment rate is getting higher, which is not good for the currency. Non-farm payroll is less than the announced or the forecast. Wow, that's the reason. Of course, we can see the EURUSD now is rising. It's rising. It's only 5 pips. I mean, oh, it should actually continue rising. That's not how it should be. It should actually continue rising. It should be rise more than that. Okay. I'm actually nervous. I don't know if I should close it or not. I don't know. I don't know. To be honest with you guys, I'm just like you. I'm just watching. I don't know. 50. I think we can close it with more than that. Come on. We're waiting for this news like once a month only. 56 only. That's not really gonna cut it. I mean, we want more than that. Come on. $50 only. I'm just gonna shake my head. I don't know. I'm thinking. I don't know. I don't know. All right. Let's just wait more time, guys. Actually, the news was really bad to the dollar, and I think it's going to continue the rise. The EURUSD will continue rising. I think the euro dollar just falling right here to retest that level of a support, but eventually it's going to continue the rise. So anyway, guys, let me know. Please pause the recording, and I will show you what will gonna happen later with this trade. So actually, my friends, it's not really making the impact that I was looking for, but finally it's running in good profit of $75. I'm gonna close it, $80, get done with this trade. And actually, I'm not satisfied. We want more than that. So I'm gonna actually try to find another deal in front of you. Oh my god, I think the pound GPY is running in good profit if I just let it run. Oh wow, we have missed 35 pips. If I would have let the pound GPY run, I would actually have ended up in more profit. Check out the pound CAD. The pound CAD moving very fast, and wow, that was actually quite a lot. Let's check the other pairs. Pound USD, ooh. Oh god, I think only the Euro USD screwed me up. I think the other pairs went in profit. What happened to the signals that I have sent? Oh my god, fantastic. The signals running well also. Pound USD, Euro USD, AUDUSD all running well. USDCAD of course not. USDJPY almost being triggered. This one not hit yet. Gold is also running in profit. So I'm glad that the Friday analysis is going well as well. Alright guys, so let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once the market calms so we can actually find another trade. So the euro pound on 15-minute time frame showing us something very interesting. First of all, I draw the Fibonacci retracement from this lower high to this higher high, as you can see, and right now we are actually waiting for the market to reach 38.2. But to confirm if this trade is good indeed, what I did right here is draw the resistance trend line from this lower high to this lower high, higher low to this, higher high to this. As you can see, we had here number 1 and number 2 fake breakouts, and in the middle we had here this resistance attempts as well. So meaning if the market is going to be able to reach 38.2 right here, first of all it's going to be facing here the previous level of a resistance, as we can see, and also that level of a resistance trend line will most likely be also respected. So we have to wait for the euro pound to rise to another, I would say like 3 pips before we can start selling it, aiming approximately 7 pips profit from this trade. So maybe it happened already. Maybe there is a chance that this has already happened and the market already reversed at that level of a resistance trend line. But anyway, I will just wait for my entry to be approached. Therefore, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later guys to show you if I will open this trade. So actually right here guys on the pound AUD, I'm seeing a good opportunity to place now the buy order, 1.2 lot sizes. That's gonna be great, and I have opened the buy order, risking about $146, aiming approximately the same 151. So allow me to explain to you, of course, the reason behind this trade. As you can see right now, we are actually facing here a support zone on the 15-minute time frame. Look at that, it's already running in profit. Now the reason, of course, behind opening this trade, as you can see guys, what I did right here is simply draw a resistance trend line from this higher high to this lower high. Now what you will do next is simply drag the ending, just the ending, just move it all the way like that, And check this out. As you can see right now, I connected this resistance trend line to this resistance trend line as well. And as we can see right now, what we are having here is a support, so a resistance trend line, which has been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. And right now, the market has fallen all the way right here to retest the same level to create a new support trend line. So it's actually should be a good deal. It should be a good deal. So therefore, I think have to wait right now. Of course, the stop loss was placed right there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $140 in this trade. Meanwhile, the take profit level was $151, equivalent to 19 pips. All right, guys. So I think it's going to be a good deal. Let's just wait for it to actually approach our take profit level. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade. And as you can see, the trade is running indeed in a good profit. $80, $81 of profit. I closed it, and I'm happy with the profit that I have made. That's, guys, the reason I can actually survive in this market, because I'm just seeking these reversals. I didn't even wait for it to hit the take profit level. I just seek the reversals. Once I see the market actually, or actually see the profit here satisfies me, it's gonna be like $80 or $100. I'm instantly gonna close it directly. And the take profit level was placed right there only for educational reason, but in reality, I don't even wait for it. I just close it and get done with it. So we have made $160 in this video. I'm so happy with it. And I think, guys, you have learned that the news cannot always deliver to you the profits that you have you were hoping for. So therefore, you can actually always make it up with more trades to recover the losses, or actually to increase your profits. So anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow in another weekly analysis video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.